everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are passionate about natural skincare or looking for a powerful yet gentle solution for acne, eczema and dull skin, African black soap might just be your new best friend. In today's video, we are talking all about this ancient beauty secret. What is it? How to use it? Why it's so powerful? And I'll even show you how to make it yourself at home. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get into it. What is African black soap? African black soap, also known as Osedudu in Yoruba or Alata Samina in Ghana, is a traditional cleanser used for centuries across West Africa. It's made from plant-based ingredients like dried plantain skin, coconut pod ash, palm kernel oil, shea butter, coconut oil, sometimes honey or aloe vera. These ingredients are sun-dried, roasted into ash, and then mixed with oils to form the iconic dark brown or black soap we know. Uses and benefits. So what can African black soap do for you? For the skin, treat acne and blemishes, reduces oily skin, gently exfoliates dead skin cells, soothes eczema and rashes, fades dark spots and scars, brightens the skin naturally. For the body, acts as a natural deodorant, helps with body odor and fungal issues, cleanses deeply without drying the skin. For hair, cleans the scalp naturally, can help with dandruff, stimulates healthy hair growth. It's all natural, making it perfect for people with sensitive skin or those transitioning to clean beauty. How to use African black soap. To use, break a small piece of the soap, lather it between your hands with water, gently massage on your face or body, rinse thoroughly and moisturize with a good oil or lotion like shea butter. Important tips. Don't rub the raw soap directly on your skin. It can be too harsh. Avoid contact with eyes. It stings. Start by using it 2 to 3 times a week, then increase if your skin tolerates it. DIY. How to make African black soap at home. Here is a simple DIY version you can try at home. Ingredients: 1 cup dry plantain peels burned into ash, half cup cocoa pod ash or substitute with cocoa powder, 1 cup unrefined shea butter, half cup coconut oil, half cup palm kernel oil or olive oil, optional honey or aloe vera gel. Steps: mix the ashes with warm water to form a black paste. In a pot, melt the shea butter and oils. Slowly add the ash paste while stirring. Cook on low heat for 30 minutes until thick. Let it cool off and mold it into your desired shape. Leave to cure for 1 to 2 weeks. Boom, you have got your homemade African black soap. Things to watch out for. African black soap is powerful, so be careful. Overuse can dry or irritate your skin. Always moisturize after use. Watch out for fake versions made with dyes and chemicals. Real black soap is soft, earthy smelling, and not jet black. So there you have it. African black soap is truly a gift from nature. Whether you are dealing with breakouts, dull skin, or just want a clean natural alternatives, this ancient remedy has got you covered. Have you used African black soap before? Or are you planning to try the DIY method? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare and beauty secrets rooted in African traditions. See you in the next video. Bye.